In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename domain site name in Netlify. If you've launched a site with a placeholder name or want your URL to better match your brand, you can update the Netlify site name in just a few clicks. This is the name that forms your default Netlify app address, so changing it will change that URL. I'll walk you through the exact path in the dashboard and share a few practical tips to make the switch smooth. First, head to netlify.com and open your dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, choose Projects. This brings up the list of projects you have access to. Find the project that contains the site you want to rename and click into it to open its overview. If you're on a team, make sure you're in the correct team workspace so you're editing the right project. Inside the project, look for Domain Management. This is where Netlify centralizes everything related to your site's addresses and DNS. Open Domain Management to see your configured domains and the default Netlify app subdomain. In the production domain section, locate your current Netlify app domain. To the right of that domain, open the Options dropdown. In that menu, select Edit Project Name. Depending on your UI version, you may see it labeled as Edit Site Name. It's the same action, and it controls the portion of the URL that comes before .netlify app. Type the new name you want to use. Keep it short, readable, and brand aligned. Netlify site names must be unique across the platform and typically allow lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens. If the name you enter is already taken, try a small variation. Take a moment to double check spelling because this change will update the public URL your visitors use. When you're happy with the new name, click Save. Netlify will apply the change and update the site's default URL. In most cases, this takes effect quickly. Open a new browser tab and visit the updated netlify.app address to confirm everything loads as expected. A few housekeeping notes as you wrap up. Changing the site name updates only the default netlify.app domain. Any custom domains you've added remain the same. However, old links pointing to the previous Netlify app URL will no longer work, so update bookmarks, documentation, and any integrations or webhooks that reference the old address. If you work in a shared environment, let your team know about the new URL to avoid confusion. That's it. You've successfully renamed your domain site name in Netlify and aligned your project's URL with your brand.